All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we got Carpro Reset against Adam's Megaphone. Now, you know who you are. You've been saying over and over again, Carpro Reset, Carpro Reset. You've been persistent, and I'm gonna deliver for you, buddy. Here it goes. Carpro Reset, man. This is the favorite of a lot of people out there. It's good stuff. I've used it in the past quite a bit, and I'll tell you what, it never lets me down. But one thing I'm gonna share with you guys right off the bat, that smell. Ah, man. It's got that smell like it's a 3-day-old Budweiser and someone dribbled some fragrance in it. You know what? So it's kind of, is it good? Is it bad? Is it skunky beer? I don't know what it is. It's not horrible, but it's not amazing, man. That's the bottom line with this one. But it's not known for being an amazing smelling product. What it is known for is having some good cutting power, resetting back your ceramic coating or your paint back so we can put sealants on it. Now, what this is an alkaline-based shampoo that has some good cutting power. It's got some good teeth. The consequence of that, man, if you spray it on in the sunlight and it dries on there, we could be looking at spotting or water spots and things like that. I haven't had that happen, but I suspect it might happen as an alkaline shampoo. One of the good things about it, we can put it on the paint, we can pressure wash it off, and we can do a good touchless wash with this. This is gonna be your best bet with that. It's gonna remove the majority of the dirt. We come back behind with the blower and finish it up. That's awesome. Carpro Reset also claims to be almost all natural products. I don't know what almost means, but they claim it's kind of eco-friendly. That's kind of cool. We don't want to be putting a bunch of foam down in the sewer drains or in any rivers or lakes or anything around your house. That's for sure. So anything they can do to make them more eco-friendly, I'm all about it. But I'd like to see that almost get the fully. All right, so Carpro Reset at the time of the filming, $29 for this 34-ounce bottle. Now, at that price point, at 2 ounces, that's going to give us 17 washes for this bottle. That's not bad. And that brings us to $1.70 a wash. That's pretty exciting because $1.70 is just not much to get some good cleaning power out of a really good high-end product. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So who's it up against? Man, the almighty Adams, man. Adam, I know you got to be thinking, man, I made some good stuff here, and you did, buddy, because Adam's Megafoam has just crushed through every top manufacturer. It hasn't even been close for most people. It's always overwhelmingly Adams, Adams, Adams in the comments. Now, we're going to put it through the same vigorous smell test. Now, we've done this a million times, but I'm going to do it again. Oh, there it is. That smells amazing, man. That is a beautiful smell. You know what? I like a good smell when I'm working with products on the vehicle, so I'm excited about that. And everybody always asks, yeah, it smells great, but how does it clean? You know what? It's got good lubricity on the paint. It cleans the dirt off well. I mean, it does a really good job. It's a pH neutral soap now. It's not going to have that teeth like the Carpro Reset, but you know, if you're washing your car routinely, it's going to get a good job done with the 2-bucket wash method or whatever wash method you choose. I've used it in all different ways. All right, so at the time of the filming, Adam's Megafoam checked in at $60 for 128 ounces. Now, man, that's a really good value. At 2 ounces in the foam cannon, that gives us 64 washes. I mean, man, that's a lot of washes, man, for sure. And at 64 washes, that's 93 cents per wash. Man, that is an incredible value. So let's recap. Carpro Reset checked in at $1.70 per wash. Adam's Megafoam, 93 cents per wash. And that's for putting 2 ounces in each one. They're both gonna work awesome. They're both gonna be amazing, but keep that in mind. So today we're gonna be putting them through the MJJC foam cannon and through the almighty Krenzla. Man, this thing is gonna shoot some unbelievable foam. You're gonna see a drastic difference between the Krenzla and my old Karcher. There's no question about that, man. You know, it's 9 times the money. I mean, of course it's gonna kick some butt. But the almighty Krenzla is the titan of pressure washers, and I'm looking forward to putting it out there and seeing what it'll do. So let's get it mixed up. Let's get out there and put it on the paint, and let's see how it does. Yeah. All right, so there's a lot of foam on here, and it's super slick on the paint. Gotta say, it's clean and nice too. Pretty impressed overall. All right, and what can you say about Adams? Look how thick that foam is. Super slick on the paint. Smells unbelievable too. The whole area smells like cherries. Good cleaning power. Overall, a great soap. All right, so what did you guys think about that? I'll tell you what, Adams Mega Foam, amazing smell. Man, went on thick with the foam. As a matter of fact, let's recap and take a look at that Adams Mega Foam. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there, man. Look at that. That's like shaving cream. So now let's talk about the Carpro Reset. Man, that stuff went on really thick and really nice. Let's take another look at the Carpro Reset. Yeah. All right, wow, that stuff looks amazing, man. No question about it. Now, don't forget the price point, $1.70 per wash for the Carpro Reset and 93 cents a wash for the Adams Mega Foam. So factor that into your thought process. Let me know down below, who do you think won the challenge, man? Is Adams gonna stick in there and keep that win going? Or do we got a new champion, Carpro Reset? You guys decide. Let me know down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed already, man, I suggest you do it. Why not, man? Let's get some subscribers on this channel. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling. And I'll see you on the next one. Both of these are sick products, no doubt about it. Oh, yeah. We'll see you on the next one.